Have you ever wondered why some LED displays look more vivid, more seamless, and more durable than others? The answer lies in a revolutionary technology, COB, or chip on board. Unlike traditional SMD, where each LED is individually packaged and soldered onto the PCB, COB mounts bare LED chips directly onto the board and encapsulates them all at once. This design eliminates exposed pins, weak solder joints, and fragile beads. It creates a highly integrated, highly durable LED surface. There are two main COB types: face-up chip COB and flip chip COB. Flip chip COB is more efficient, more stable, and better suited for fine-pitch LED displays. Traditional SMD displays expose their solder points and fragile LED beads. This leads to higher failure rates during installation, transport, and long-term use. COB changes that. With no exposed pins, it's anti-collision, anti-static, and surface waterproof. Its surface is smoother, more durable, and resistant to dust and scratches. The result? Higher brightness, better contrast, wider viewing angles, and seamless visuals. At Leading LED Tech, we don't just follow trends, we set them. Our COB series covers P0.4 to P1.8 full-pitch production. That means we can deliver true 4K or even 8K resolution displays, built entirely with COB. We use true flip-chip architecture, with common cathode drive for lower power consumption. Each module is factory-calibrated, encapsulated in one step, and built to withstand long-term 24/7 use. Our packaging is smooth, flat, and visually consistent. No hot spots, no color shift. We've shipped to control rooms, conference halls, cinemas, and studios, especially modern conference rooms, where CB displays are replacing projectors, LCD walls, and even traditional SMD LED displays. At Leading LED Tech, quality doesn't stop at production. It continues all the way to the moment your display arrives. Every unit goes through full testing, aging, brightness, color calibration, and impact resistance before it's carefully packed for delivery. We offer professional packaging solutions including wooden crates and custom cartons, depending on your project size and shipping destination. Whether you're ordering one display or a full wall, our logistics team ensures safe, on-time global delivery. We've shipped to control rooms, conference halls, cinemas, and studios, from Asia to Europe, from America to the Middle East. What you see is what we ship, and what you get is what we guarantee. COB displays are more than just high-tech. They are built to perform in the real world. In command centers, they provide 24/7 stability and seamless clarity. In luxury homes, they deliver cinema-grade immersion with zero visual fatigue. In broadcast studios, they reduce moire and offer ultra-smooth camera performance. Our customers choose COB because they need displays that last, that are safe to touch, easy to clean, and stunning to look at. What you see now is our product COB. From P0.4 to P1.8, we support custom configurations in any size, including 2K, 4K, and even full 8K resolution. If you're looking for the future of LED display technology, the answer is here. Visit www.leadingledtech.com to learn more, or contact us at info@leadingledtech.com to get your COB project started. Leading LED Tech, where quality meets people. Need ultra-clear, durable LED displays with up to 2000 nits brightness? COB is the future of indoor LED 2K, 4K, even 8K ready. Contact us now for a quote.